Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Charlie Victor 30, Charlie Victor 30. We have a man overboard. We require immediate assistance.
Behind you! Try and help.
No, actually, no, just sit. Okay? Stand on the steps. Hold his head, we're going on here.
It's alright, don't worry, you've got it.
I didn't know if you were looking for me or not. I didn't know if you'd seen me.
Did you not hear Sean shout?
No, I heard nothing. And then I saw somebody at the mast. And initially I thought it was a good thing, so that you're looking for me, and then I realised that might be a bad thing because it meant you didn't know where I was. I tried to stay so I could see the boat. I kept moving myself around, swimming around so I could see the boat, thinking you'd be back really quickly, and you just got further and further away.